Alright, today I got a real easy video for you, and this is how to replace the crankcase elbows in your Jeep 4-liter engine. Those plastic elbows, one in the front, one in the back, depending on what kind of year you got. And I'm going to tell you this right now, if you're ever doing any work on the engine, remove the hose. Don't try to remove the plastic elbow because you're going to end up breaking it. So let's go to the engine. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Mine broke. What happens is that over time that rubber gets hard and the plastic gets brittle, so if you try to remove it, they snap. I went to the junkyard just to try to scam one, and I broke like 3 of them trying to get them out. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this little clip right here, pull off the hose, pull that elbow out, and get the new one stuck in. It's right here. It's a Dorman 47079 and a Dorman 42344. I hope that's the right size grommet, but we're going to find out right away. So it does appear that this one here is the same as this one, same with the elbow. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this rubber grommet in first and then put the T in. Alright, that ends that video on replacing the crankcase elbow that nobody gives a fuck about. Like with everything with the Jeep, every fucking mechanical job will be documented and put on YouTube for that one person who may be wondering how the hell to do it, because sometimes if you go take that fucking elbow out, he can pull and pull and pull, and she's probably going to break off right flush. At that point, you really want to need to get a screwdriver or something, both sides, 2 pry bars both sides, pry it up and out, replace it with the parts listed in there. Part numbers will be in the description for you to order. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, grab a motherfucking beer because it's beer time.